Alright, Crackamaniacs, this is Dr. Tirado. We are here with Andrew Kang, and he is coming over here to get himself adjusted. He's watched us on YouTube before, and he comes all the way from Powell Park, and he has his own Instagram going on, so if you want to plug that real quick, you can.
Andrew's son Kang on Instagram, literally, that's it.
There you go. So you got to go over to his Instagram. We're going to get him adjusted today inside his neck and also inside his lower back, all right? First, we're going to loosen him up a little bit with our massager. Cool. If this is too strong, you let me know, okay? All right. All right. Yeah, sure, we're going to take his off. Okay, let's just check the neck, see how we're moving. Good, you come right over here. A little tighter inside there, right? Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's all the couch sleeping.
It's all the what? The couch sleeping? Oh my goodness. Alright. You're going to feel this, it's not going to hurt. It's going to turn you to the left. Just going to loosen you up inside there. Just want to go ahead and adjust it. Good, straight ahead. Good. You turn it right a little bit. Same thing here. Good, straight ahead. Awesome. Take your arm. Okay, just relax a bit. Just going to come right back here. Hold on. Good. Right over here. Same thing here. Try to take out. Just get your shoulders a little bit more unlocked here. Good, straight ahead. Good. You ever injure your shoulders at all?
This one.
The right one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What'd you do? Dislocate it?
The rotator cuff.
Rotator cuff? How'd you do that?
I don't even remember, honestly. That was when I was younger. Middle school.
In middle school?
Yeah.
This technique actually comes from Thailand. Okay. Relax. Here. Good. All right, I'm going to stretch out your lats a little bit. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to take your arm, you're going to go straight up and straight down.
Okay.
Up and down like that. That's what you're going to do. I'm just going to grab your lat here. Go straight up and straight down. Straight up and straight down. Up and straight down. Up and straight down. Yeah. Good. Good. Same thing over here. Same thing over here. Go up. Straight down. Up. Down. Up. And down. Up. 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 Again. Relax a little bit. Good. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to take this arm, just go like that for a minute. Alright? Just relax. I'm going to take your elbow and pull it back. Pull your elbow back that way. Like this. Hold on, relax. Pull it back. Okay, hold on. Yeah, pull it back. Relax. Let's try this side. Open up, wait a second. Pull it back. And then still a little bit locked inside there. Try to adjust this a little bit differently. Alright, just relax here. Let it drop. Let your elbow drop. Good. So it's going to come inside here. Relax a little bit. Yeah. Good. Good. You come right inside here. Good. And just relax inside here. Going to adjust that shoulder. A little bit more. Just relax. Good. Good. There we go. Nice. That's the way it works. How'd that feel?
Good. That was good. First little cracks.
Absolutely. Just relax again. A little more. Good. Relax the wrist. Good. Just let it go. Just relax a little bit. Good. Mm-hmm. Good. Awesome. All right, Andrew, let's come and lay face down on my table. And then feel good. Good stuff. All right. Good. All I want you to do is just focus on just breathing nice and easy. All right? I'm just going to lean your head to the side a little bit. Just focus on breathing. Good. Excellent. Same thing here. Just breathe nice and easy. Try to loosen up the muscles a little bit. And just focus on breathing. All right. Good. I get to breathe in very deep. All the way out, Andrew. Relax your shoulders. Good. Again, one more time. All the way out. Relax. Good. Good. I'm going to come and lay on your side, and I want you to face my window, please. Just like that. All right. And I'm just going to bring you right here. Hand's going to come right here. Good. Just want you to breathe in very deep for me. All the way out. And relax. Awesome. Come lay on the other side, please. Face the doorway. Okay. You come right in here. Just going to take you here. Turn you to bed. And slide there. Why does he keep smiling?
Feels good. That's why.
Come a little closer. Awesome. Good. Just relax your hips. Good. Hands right there. Good. Start without me, huh? All right, breathing again real deep. All the way out. Let go. Cool. Come lay right on your back, please. Face up. Put your hands right there. Good. Just relax your legs. Let it just drop. And let it go. A little more. Good. Let your hip drop down. Come back over here. Okay. Just relax your knee. Good. Let that drop. Good. Bring your other leg up, please. Good. Just squeeze your knees together. Good. Ooh. Separate your knees, please. And relax. Good. Bring it right back down. Good. Just going to adjust that ankle. So I'm just going to just relax and open up this joint a little bit. Good. Good. Same thing here. Just going to traction. Just relax a little bit, please. Good. Ooh. Good. Slide back up. Let's see how we're doing here now. Slide down just a drop. Right there is cool. Thank you. Let's see if we can adjust you right there. You feel that? Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see if we can correct that. Okay. So nice and easy. All I want you to do is focus on your breathing. That's all I want you to do. Alright. I'm just going to stretch that out a little bit. No? Just going to stretch out inside here a little bit. Just going to let that go. Good. Come back here. Alright. We're going to do one more. Right there, Major. Okay. Again, all I want to do is just focus on breathing. That's all I want to do. Good. Good. I'm just going to lean the side each to the side. A little bit more. Just going to open up the joint a little bit. Good. Just kind of let that go a little bit. Good. How do you feel?
Good. That was the best one.
Okay. Good. Breathe in real deep. All the way out. Here we go. First adjustment. I'm gonna sit up nice and easy. Your legs on that side. Cool. How's that feel?
Feels amazing.
How would you describe that to someone that's never been adjusted before?
A professional back crack.
Awesome, cool. All right, guys, this is Dr. Tirado, Andrew Kang, right? And we'll see you soon, Crackamaniacs. There you go. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.